Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Registry Editor because this is where the classic menu toggle lives. Once you have reget it open, immediately export the registry so you can restore if needed. Next, navigate to HKey current user /software /classes /clsid. Make sure you follow that exact path. You're doing this now to add a new key. Don't skip the backup step because it's the safety net that prevents accidental system changes from becoming permanent problems. Now you'll create the entries that force the old context menu. Right-click clsid, choose New Key, and paste the GUID 86K1A0-34A4E8BA509-50C905B2A2. Once created, add a subkey named inproc-server32 and click its default value to edit. Leave the value data empty and click OK. This empty default is the trick. It disables the new menu handler and restores the legacy menu. Once done, you must restart Explorer to apply the change. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and restart. If you still see the modern menu, reboot the PC to ensure the shell reloads fully. Make sure you spelled the GUID and path exactly. A single character error prevents the classic menu from loading. If something goes wrong, import the reg backup you exported earlier to revert immediately. That's the fastest safety step to restore original behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.